for chapter second order. Okay, number 2. Actually, for our first, saya tunjuk dulu lah. First chapter, we have not complete yet. Okay, yang ni tak masuk lagi. So, disebabkan mathematical modelling of first order ni, dia sikit je. So, I'm going to continue this section tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. So, for today, we are going to continue with second order ordinary differential equation. Okay, this is the outline. Kita ada 1, 2, 3, 4 subtopic, which is include 3 method of solution. Okay, the first one is method of solution for homogeneous equation. Number 2, method of solution for non-homogeneous equation but using method of undetermined coefficient. And number 3, method of solution also for non-homogeneous equation but using method of variation parameter. So untuk hari ni, for today, we are going to cover subtopic 2.1 and 2.2. So we start with 2.1. Okay, ini ada definition sikit lah. Second order ODE are an equation that consists second order derivative. Okay, this equation can be written as, right, semua boleh tengok kan? Equation 1. This is what we call as second order because of the highest derivative. Okay, sini the highest derivative is power of 2. That's why we are called the equation 1 as second order. Okay, where A, B, C and F, this is a function. Okay, a known function. Maksudnya function yang kita tahu. Okay, or it also can be a constant. A, B, C, F. This is a constant. Okay, constant tu apa? Constant is like 1, 2, 3, -2, -3. Okay, there is a constant. Right, next. Second order ODE can be classified as, okay, ada dua jenis second order ODE. Homogeneous equation and also non-homogeneous equation. Just now, I've mentioned that for homogeneous equation, there are subtopic 2.2 and non-homogeneous equation, they're in subtopic 2.3n. Please add on here and 2.4. Okay, kita ada dua method of solution for this semester. Non-homogeneous equation 2.3, method of undetermined coefficient. 2.4 is method of variation parameter. Okay, now we want to look further for the classification, how to classify homogeneous equation and non-homogeneous equation. Okay, I do rewrite A X D squared Y, ni equation 1 saya tulis semula. B X dy dx plus C X Y equals to a function of X. Okay, for this semester, we are going to consider A, B, C as a constant. Okay, so dah tak ada dah AX, BX, CX. Means we do not consider a function of X for A, B and C. So, I do rewrite. A, B and C. Okay, this is the type of second order ODE that we are going to solve. Okay, tapi dibahagikan, classified into two. First, homogeneous equation. Then, number 2 is non-homogeneous equation. Okay, what is homogeneous equation? for homogeneous equation, the function of x. Function of x ni dekat mana? Function of x ni di sini. The function of x is equals to 0. Then the equation become a d squared y dx squared plus b dy dx plus c y equals to 0. So this is for homogeneous equation. Then another one is non-homogeneous equation. Okay, non-homogeneous macam mana pula? Okay, non-homogeneous equation is the fx not equals to 0. Fx not equals to 0 means there are a function of fx here. So equation dia macam mana? So this is the equation. Equation dia macam ni lah. Seperti di atas. A d squared y dx squared plus b dy dx plus cy equals to a function of x. Okay, kena recall balik what is the function of x. It can be polynomial, it can be exponential, it can be trigonometry. Okay, so we have two homogeneous equation and non-homogeneous equation. Ada soalan tak? Ini dia rewrite balik lah. Tapi jangan consider A. Tolonglah buatlah apa yang patut. This is A, B and C, not AX, BX, CX. For this semester, we only consider A constant, B constant, C a constant. Yes, Obat Ashraf.
Excuse me, Doctor. Before a while, we wrote two equation for homogeneous or just one?
Only one equation. This is for homogeneous.
Okay, Doctor.
Okay.
What about non-homogeneous?
You refer to equation 1. This equation 1, right? Then
yes.
Suppose AX is a function of X, but we only consider a constant. Constant, constant, constant.
Constant. All right. Okay, Doctor. Thank you.
Okay, right. Ada lagi soalan? Okay, for today, we are going to solve this equation, the homogeneous equation. Okay, before we going further, you have to understand what it means by A, B and C. As I just mentioned, A constant, B constant, C also a constant. Ada soalan lain? Any other question? Okay, please ready with your guys calculator because we are going to solve the equation with homogeneous equation. Okay. Right. I rewrite again. A d squared y dx squared b dy dx plus c y equals to 0. So this is our homogeneous equation where A, B and C are constant. Okay. Sometimes the d squared y over dx squared, dy over dx can be written as y double prime and y prime. So, a y double prime plus b y prime plus c y equals to 0. So, both of these equations consider the homogeneous equation of second order. Okay, some question will be given in term of D over D. Some question will be given in term of prime and double prime. So tak payah confuse, sama saja. Alright. In order to solve the homogeneous equation, the following term are considered. Means y double prime must be substituted as m square, y prime must be substituted as m, and y is as 1. Okay, bila kita gantikan, when we substitute y double prime as m square, so it become m square, plus b y prime as m, so this one become m, plus c y as 1 equals to 0. Tapi we don't write it as 1, C1. It's just a C. Sebab di satu kita tak tulis. So it's just a C. Okay. So this is what we call as auxiliary equation or characteristic equation. So before we proceed with the solution, we have to change the differential equation into the auxiliary equation or characteristic equation. Okay, yang ni. Okay, from this auxiliary equation or characteristic equation, we can identify the type of solution. Okay, daripada sinilah kita boleh identify the type of solution. Okay, how to identify? Is based on the root of this auxiliary equation or of this characteristic equation. Okay, ingat tak ni bentuk ni? Other equation, other name of this equation is quadratic equation. Kalau korang ingat, quadratic equation. Okay, where we have to find the value of m. Do you remember? Boleh tak bagi komen kat sini? Okay, saya nak tanya. How to find the value of m?
Tekan calculator.
Okay, satu. Lagi? Ada 3. There are 3 ways. Tengah Google ke?
Formula.
Yes. Itu saya letak number 3. Satu lagi. Yang ni korang jarang buat. Manually factorization. Okay. First, using calculator. Number 2, manually factorization. And number 3 is by using formula. Okay. To find the value of m. Okay. In your calculator, it's not m. In your calculator, it's x. Tapi sama je lah. Okay. We just replace the m, the x with m. Okay. By using formula. What is the formula? Siapa ingat? M equals to? Jangan pesek.
B tambah tolak. Ya.
Negatif B.
Negatif P. Lagi.
Tambah tolak.
Okay.
Punca kuasa.
Okay.
B kuasa 2 tolak 4AC.
Alright. B kuasa 2 tolak 4AC. Je. Ada ikut?
Bahagi dengan B 2A.
2A. Okay, so kita ada we have three method of finding value of M: calculator, manually factorization and formula. Okay, tadi saya cakap kan, in order to find the solution of homogeneous equation, we need to solve this auxiliary equation or characteristic equation or quadratic equation. Okay, when it said solve, mean we need to find the value of M. Okay, according to formula, okay, we have three type of M. Is either M is real and distinct. Oh, saya clear yang lain. Number one, real and distinct. Number two, real and equal. And number three is complex number root. Complex number saja, sama lah. Okay. All of this type of M is depend on the formula. Okay, maksudnya apa? Real and distinct means your B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. Okay, B square minus 4AC tu datang pada mana? Sini. B square minus 4AC greater than 0. Means when you substitute the value of A, B and C, okay, A, B and C is come from the quadratic equation, auxiliary equation, characteristic equation. A, B and C. Okay, we do substitute, then B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. So the type of M here is real and distinct. Means you have two value of M. Okay, you have M1 and M2. Okay, for real and equal, the B square minus 4AC, when we substitute the value of A, B and C, become 0. So what happened to the value of M? Since this is real and equal, okay, sama. So we only have one value of M. Okay, the last one is B square minus 4AC just now greater than 0 equals to 0, and this is less than 0, means negative number. So we have M, when you apply to your calculator, there are M1, M2, okay, alpha plus beta I, alpha minus beta I. We do combine both. Okay, yang dua ni kita combine kan, because this is alpha and beta I. This is also alpha and beta I. So we do combine, make it as alpha plus minus beta I. From this value of M, we'll determine the solution. Okay, solution just now for the homogeneous equation will become y equals to A exponent M1x plus B exponent M2x. For the real and equal, y A plus Bx exponent Mx. And for the complex number root, y equals to exponent alpha x A cos beta x plus B sin beta x. So this is the solution for homogeneous equation. The solution all is depend on the value of M. Okay, the value of M depend on the value of A, B and C from the given homogeneous equation. Okay, kalau ada yang tanya, is this formula given? Depends. For the last semester, I think not given. For the previous 2 semester, given. It depend on this course coordinator. Okay, ada soalan tak? Ini nota lah. This is the formula that I have summarized just now. Ni, this is y, and y. This is the solution. Depend on the value of M. Ada soalan? So kita continue the method of solution. Okay, first step, what you need to do is substitute the y double prime with m square. Okay, please be careful with the y prime. Okay, sometimes the equation didn't give you y prime, only y. Make sure you substitute the correct m. Double prime is m square, prime is m, and y is equals to 1. Substitute into the given differential equation and write the auxiliary equation. Okay, auxiliary equation ni apa? Okay, bolehlah remark kat sini. Quadratic equation. Then step number 2, identify the type of root. Okay, step number 2 ni what is how to identify? Is based on formula b square minus 4ac. Okay, alright. For step number 2, this is not compulsory. Okay. However, for this user calculator FX570MS. Yang ini compulsory step number 2. Boleh tak tolong angkat tangan, raise up your hand dekat dalam Google Meet ni. Siapa yang guna calculator? Those who have used FX570MS. Saya nak tahu berapa orang. Satu, dua, 7. Ramai. Satu, dua, tiga, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 orang. Okay, please be careful for the step number 2. Make sure korang calculate dulu. Please do calculate b square minus 4ac. Okay, kalau dah calculate baru boleh identify. Okay, ini sebab apa? Sometimes when you find the value of m by using FX570MS, okay, there are confusion in between real and equal and complex number root. Sebab nanti dia akan bagi satu value saja, value alpha untuk complex number root. Suppose is complex number root, but you will assume that is real and equal. So tolong calculate dulu before continue with step number 3. Boleh yang angkat tangan tu? Alright, so saya continue. Step number 3, find root. Ni dia dah highlightkan kat sini. Means write the value of m. Okay. Find root, we have 3 ways just now. Kita ada calculator, we also have a manually factorization and also by using formula. It's up to you. Tapi usually to cut your time, to save your time, we apply calculator directly. Okay. Step number 4, write the general solution based on the root. General solution ni yang mana? Yang tadi yang saya tulis ni. Solution ni. Ataupun yang ini yang warna hijau ni. Based on root. Okay. Real and distinct. Real and equal. Complex number root. So this is the solution. With the value of m. Maksudnya ada nilai m. M tu mana datang? We have calculated before. Okay, and the last one is, if given condition, then find the value of constant. Okay, constant kat sini apa? Constant dia adalah A and B. This is the value of constant. Right, sekarang kita tengok solve the following differential equation. Kita start dengan example 1. Ada soalan tak? Sebelum saya proceed. Ada 6 example saja. Ready semua orang? Calculator, be ready. Okay, we will start with example 1. Solve the following differential equation. A, 2y double prime minus 5y prime minus 3y equals to 0. Okay, obviously this is equals to 0. So this is homogeneous equation. Okay, refer to the step number 1. First step is substitute. Substitute apa? Substitute y double prime with m square, y prime with m, and y with 1. So this equation become 2m square minus 5m minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, step number 2. Step number 2, this is not compulsory for all but compulsory for the user of FX570MS. Okay, apa dia? Calculate the B square minus 4AC. So we have A equals to 2, B equals to minus 5, C equals to minus 3. Okay, daripada sinilah. A pair for the double prime, B pair for prime, C pair with Y. So A, B and C. Okay. We need to calculate B square minus 4AC. Substitute minus 5 square minus 4, 2 minus 3. 25 minus apa plus 20. Betul ke? 8 24.
24.
24. Okay. So it will become 49. This is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means will contribute 2 value of m. Okay, suppose we have 2 value of m. You may write down here real and distinct. Okay, next step. Step number 3. Okay, write the value of m. Okay, tolong calculate dekat saya value of m sama dengan apa? Give me in term of fractional number. Tahu guna calculator tak? Hai, senyap je ni. Tak tahu tolong tanya. Kalau tahu saya senyap je. Dah lupa pula dah. Pakai kalkulator apa Izzat?
Saya pakai 570.
Memanglah semua 570. MS ke, ES ke, EX ke.
Dia tulis ES 570 MS.
FX 570 MS betul? Ke saya salah?
Dekat kalkulator saya tulis awal tu ES dash 570 MS.
Bagi saya gambar dekat WhatsApp.
Okey, jap.
Masuk grup pun tak apa. So orang lain boleh tengok juga. Yang lain yang senyap ni, tak respon apa-apa. Dah dapat ke value of M?
Madam guna EQN tu kan?
Betul. Aini pakai kalkulator apa?
570 MS.
Bagi seorang, okey.
Jawapan
Dia dah
dia
bagi, madam.
Apa dia Izzat? Dah bagi dah? Oh, bukan Casio. Alamak. Izzat tekan mode. Tekan mode, cuba cari EQN.
Mode EQN.
Mode, tekan mode first time keluar apa?
First time keluar com dengan kompleks.
Okey, lagi. Tekan lagi mode.
Keluar SD, rack dengan bis.
Tekan lagi sekali.
Keluar EQN, mat dengan VCT.
Okey, pilih EQN tu.
Okay.
Okey, keluar apa?
Unknown 2 atau 3.
Tekan lagi sekali. EQN.
EQN. Alamak, saya nak patah balik EQN. Daripada unknown ni, saya nak patah balik ke EQN ni, madam.
Tekan mode tu.
Oh, tekan mode. Dia jadi degree.
Okey, degree tu ada dipilih 2 dengan 3, betul?
Betul?
Okey, pilih 2.
Pilih 2. Dia start dengan A, tanda soal.
Masukkan A. Masukkan B, masukkan C.
Okey, baik.
Alright. Ainin lebih kurang lah kan? Tekan EQN dan dia minta A, B and C, betul? Bin Walid, yes, what happened?
I put the equation on the calculator and M1 is 3 and M2 is negative 0.5.
3, 0.5.
Yeah.
Okay, sekejap. Wait for the others.
X1 saya 3. X2 saya negatif 1/2.
Okay. Is it correct with you, Walid? 3 and negative 1/2.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. Yang lain okay ke? M1 is equals to 3. M2 is equals to negative 1/2. If you have a decimal point, please convert to a fractional number. Yang lain? Any one of you using calculator ES or EX, which is more simplest way to find. Tak ada senyap je ni. Okay, so step number 1 we have complete. This is step number 1. This is step number 2, which is not compulsory. Step number 3, write the value of m. And the last step is, this equation didn't give you any condition. So we just follow the step number 1, 2 and 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. So number 4. Okay. Write general solution based on the root. Okay, in this case, our root is 2, M1 and M2. So according to the solution, just now, solution kita adalah, okay, this is the solution. Or, sama macam atas ni. This one. Substitute the value of M. So in this case, Y equals to A exponent. Our M1 here is 3. So 3x plus B exponent negative 1 over 2x. So this is the solution. Boleh? Any question? If you stuck, please let me know. Kalau tak, saya tak boleh nak tolong. Saya dengar ada bunyi tang-tang ni, bunyi apa? Korang sign reaction ni? Tak nampak.
Kalau madam, kalau dia punya dua-dua X pertama dengan X kedua tu nombor bulat, so tulis je nombor bulat kan?
Ya, betul.
Alright.
Cuma pecahan ni je. Kalau dia bagi perpuluhan, tukar kepada pecahan.
Okey, baik.
Okay, saya continue. B. Step number 1. Substitute y double prime with m square, y prime with m, and y equals to 1. So in this case, we have m square minus 10m. We don't have y here, so equals to 0. Step number 2. Okay. Calculate b square minus 4ac. So in this case, we have a equals to 1, b equals to negative 10, c equals to 0. So calculate b square minus 4ac. We have negative 10 square minus 4, 1, 0. So is 100, which is greater than 0. So kalau greater than 0, the root is real and distinct. Step number 3. Okay, find the value of m. Okay. By using your calculator, please find the value of m and make sure you have 2 value of m. Okay, tolong saya cari what is the value of m. Khairul Z 010, correct? M1 is equals to 0, M2 is equals to 10. Okay, before we proceed, since for the real and distinct root, some of you will write down as M2 means M1 equals to negative 1.2, M2 equals to 3. It's also correct. Okay, boleh tukar, tak kisah. Also with M1 equals to 10, M2 equals to 0 pun sama sahaja. Tak ada masalah untuk tukar-tukar tempat dia. Okay. So, continue with step number 4. Solution for the two value of m. Y equals to A exponent power of 0x. 0 times with x. Just write it down first. B exponent 10x. Okay, 0 times with x is equals to 0. Exponent power of 0 is equals to 1. So, the solution, suppose A times with 1 is A plus B exponent 10x. So, this is the solution.
Madam.
Ya,
Madam ulang semula yang tadi Madam kata pasal tukar tempat tu boleh?
boleh.
Alright.
Alright, kadang-kadang ada yang tekan kalkulator, dia keluar dulu value negatif 1/2 and 3. Okay, kalau awak letak M1 sama dengan 3, kawan awak letak M1 sama dengan negatif 1/2. Sama, betul, tak ada masalah. Okay, terbalikkan value pun tak ada masalah. So jangan compare. Kawan saya pilih M1 sama dengan negatif 1/2, saya pilih 3. Siapa yang betul? Dua-dua betul.
Oh, okay, baik. Thank you, Madam.
Okay. May I proceed?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Alright. Solve the following differential equation. Y double prime minus 10y prime plus 25y equals to 0. Okay, lagi sekali. Step number 1. Substitute. So this is become m square minus 10m plus 25 equals to 0. Step number 2. Okay, calculate b square minus 4ac. First, identify a equals to 1, b negative 10, c 25. So, b square minus 4ac equals to negative 10 square minus 4, a 25. Calculate. Tolong jap calculate. 100, 4, 25, 2500, 0. Allah. It will become 0, betul tak? For the b,
So, Madam.
b square minus 4ac equals to 0 means this is real and equal. Okay, real and equal means we only get one value of m. Okay, now find the value of m. Tekan calculator. What is the value of m?
5.
Okay, 5. Then go to step number 4. Solution for only one value of m. Okay, boleh refer balik jadual tadi. Y equals to a plus bx exponent 5x. Or also can be written as, okay, expand kan. We have a exponent 5x plus bx exponent 5x. Any of these equation. If you write down as a plus bx exponent 5x also correct. If you expand also correct. Okay, ada soalan tak? Loh, tu belum. Okay, D. Step number 1. Substitute double prime with m square plus 4 prime with m plus 7 equals to 0. Then for step number 2, calculate b square minus 4ac. So you have a equals to 1, b equals to 4 and c equals to 7. Your b square minus 4ac. Okay, tolong saya.
Negatif 12.
Negative 12. So negative 12 is less than 0. Means your value of m is complex number root. Okay, tolong tekan calculator. Give me the value of m.
Negatif 2 dengan negatif 2.
Oh, salah tu. Bagi gambar dekat WhatsApp.
Okey, jap.
Dekat atas screen display calculator tu ada simbol, suppose akan ada simbol ni, R I. Ada tak?
Ada madam.
Okay.
Ada, madam.
Nak keluarkan dia tu, saya lupa. Bagi gambar calculator tu nak tengok. Dia kena tekan shift something. User calculator 570EX. Ada tak? Tak dengar. Siapa yang jawab ada? EX. Okay, saya bagi okay, we have 3 types. Suppose yang ni yang common lah, yang biasa. Okay, saya start dulu dengan 570EX. Boleh tak? Yang EX tu tolong respon. When you calculate, what is the value of M? Muhammad Nah, Muhammad Hashir. Hashir pakai apa?
Saya pakai 570 MS.
Okay, tak. Saya nak cari yang EX dulu. EX ni calculator dia is either warna putih, white colour, pink or blue. Yang tu yang selalu jumpa. Kita kena verify hari ni. Kalau tak nanti korang akan ada masalah in future. Sebab kelas online kan. Lukman pakai apa?
Saya pakai 570EX.
Okay, EX bagi jawapan apa?
M1 -2 tambah punca kuasa 3I.
Okay. M2?
M2 sama juga tapi ni lah tambah.
Negatif kan?
Ni tolak pula.
Okay, right. So next is FX570ES. Siapa yang pakai ES? ES ni combination warna dia warna grey and silver kalau tak silap. Okay, tak ada. Right, then kita go to MS. Okay, MS ni majority ramai. Okay, MS selalu bila tekan for this complex number root, okay, ni yang isu dia. When you get M1 equals to -2, M2 also -2. Okay, kenapa kena buat B square minus 4AC? Okay, because to verify, is it correct this is complex number root or this is real and equal? Kalau tengok kat sini value dia sama. So you may assume that this is real and equal. Sebenarnya tak. Ada satu simbol dekat calculator tu, RI, which is there are two value here. Ada value real number and also imaginary number. Okay, sekarang ni how to extract the imaginary number from your calculator. Okay, tadi Izzat dah bagi, sekejap saya check balik. Izzat boleh tak bagi gambar, saya nak tengok bahagian bawah kalkulator tu yang ANS dengan equal tu. Warna kuning atas tu dia state apa?
Oh, okey, jap.
Kalau FX saya rasa you kena tekan shift plus equal. Nanti dia akan keluar. Macam yang Hashir tulis ni lah, 1.732i dengan negatif 1.732i.
Oh, shift equal
Ya, betul?
Kalau X1 dia keluar 1.732i.
Okay.
Oh, dia kena tekan satu-satu madam?
Tekan
Oh,
lagi sekali equal tu. Jangan tekan shift equal, tekan equal saja.
Oh, saya tekan equal saja, nanti X2 jadi -2 sahaja.
Oh, so kena tekan shift equal lah.
Okey, dia jadi -1.732.
Alright. So for this user 570MS, for the first time you enter the value of A, B and C. Yang ni yang orange ni lah. M1 equals to -2, M2 also equals to -2. When you press shift and equal at the same time, okay, the calculator will give you M1 is 1732i, M2 -1732i. Okay, now how to combine? Okay, sekarang kita nak combine M1. Okay, choose this M1 and M1. So -2 plus 1732i. And your M2, okay, combine real and imaginary. So -2 minus 1.732i. So sama dah dengan F570EX. Cuma bezanya apa? For this MS, you cannot convert the decimal point to the square root number. Okay, sebab value dia susah sikit nak convert. Boleh faham tak?
Boleh.
Okay. Alright, tu baru step 1. Okay, next step is just now I have mentioned for complex number roots. Okay, atas ni saya tolak slide sekejap. Complex number root, the root is m equals to alpha plus minus beta I. Okay, we need to identify what is the alpha and what is the beta. Okay, so daripada apa yang awak calculate guna calculator tadi tu, what you have calculated, so we need to identify our alpha and also our beta. So in this case, your m equals to -2, then combine this plus and minus, sama juga plus and minus. Okay, saya guna dulu yang ni, square root of 3i, or for the 570 ms, -2 plus minus 1732i. Yang ini sama. Okay, this is equal. Either one. So from here, our alpha is equals to -2 and our beta is, okay, saya nak guna square root of 3. So square root of 3. Once we identify the value of alpha and beta, barulah kita boleh pergi ke step number 4. Number apa? Number 4, correct. Step number 4 is to write the solution based on complex number root. So stepnya adalah y equals to exponent alpha x -2x bracket a cos beta x, our beta is square root 3 x plus b sin square root 3x. So this is the solution. Okay, jangan ambil I. I is not included. Beta is only the number. Okay, kita ambil square root 3 saja ataupun 1.732.
Dia punya tambah tolak pun jangan ambil madam.
Ya, betul. Jangan ambil. Kita nak value. For beta is just a value. Tapi untuk alpha, kena ambil lah. Tolak kalau ada negatif.
Okey madam.
Okay, ada soalan? Okay, saya nak tambah sikit input. Input for the value of alpha, beta. Okay, kat sini lah. Boleh tolong salin. Alpha can be positive number, can be negative number, can be 0. Okay, alpha ni boleh jadi positive number, boleh jadi negative number dan boleh juga jadi 0. Okay, jadi 0 tu macam mana? When you calculate kat sini, calculate tadi, M1 0, M2 0. Okay, should be no problem. It can be. Tapi tengoklah kalau ada RI ni, means kena extract keluar di imaginary number. Okay, but for beta, untuk beta ni, since we have plus minus here, so beta only positive number. Positive number saja. Dia tak boleh jadi negatif, dia tak boleh jadi kosong. If beta is equals to 0, means this is not complex number root. Maksudnya tak adalah I ni. Boleh faham?
Boleh.
Okay. Alright. Okay, sebelum saya proceed nak explain how to apply the condition. Boleh tak tolong saya buat untuk example 2 ni? Step number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sampai 4 saja. Step number 4. Boleh buat sekarang? Saya nak check attendance. Alamak. Ada siapa-siapa yang baru masuk kelas ke? Apa ni tanya bukan nak mengaku. Kira apa ni? Binamro Ahmad Saleh Ahmad.
Yeah.
Have you registered?
Yeah, I already registered.
Okay. Have you buy the ebook?
Yeah, already buy before yesterday.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, Doctor.
Yep.
Have you shared the QR of present?
Sorry?
The QR to present this class submission. present.
QR for attendance.
Attendance, yeah.
Oh no, I'm not doing the QR yet because the number of student is not fixed yet. So I will check your name through the system. Have you registered?
Yes.
Your program is computer or
Computer,
biomedical?
Computer, yeah.
Computer, okay, not yet.
No computer.
Okay, not yet. I will call you later. Muhammad
Okay, doctor.
Hafizullah.
Ya, doktor.
Okay. Hafizullah dah beli ke buku? E-book?
Dah, doktor.
Dua? Salah masuk grup Saya tengok tak ada pun. Tolong saya buat untuk example 2 semua tau. B, A, B and C. sampai step 4. Wah, ada dah. Binamru yes, Hafizullah yes, Izzat yes. Izzat ada tadi kan?
Ada.
Okay. Dan lagi 3 orang ni. Nur Ain, Atikah. Nur Ain, Atikah dari program mana? Nombor matrik macam tak sama je. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Nur Ain, Atikah ada? Nur Ain tak ada. Macam nak cari yang ni. Ada siapa-siapa terlibat dengan sukarelawan Kongo? PESCON minggu depan. Nurul Atika. Tak ada. Ahmad Nur Hakim.
Saya doktor.
Program mana tah? Lupa saya.
Agriculture.
Agriculture. Sama kan? Izhan kan?
Ya, sama.
Bukan 3 orang ke yang patutnya masuk kelas ni?
2 orang je.
Oh, okey. Next is computer. Komputer ni ada 33 tapi yang beli hanya 28. Abdul Rahman Fuad ada? Abdul Rahman Fuad.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Next, Ahmad Faiz Nur bin Muhammad Mazlan.
Ya, madam.
Okay. Next, Ahmad Hafiz Syahrizan.
Ya, madam.
Okay. Ainin Aisyah. Tadi
Ada, madam.
Al-Kuwaili Zaid. Al-Kuwaili Ziyad. Tariq Mubarak.
Yes, Doc.
Have you bought the book, the e-book?
No, today, inshallah.
Today. Okay, make sure before week 5 because we are going to have our quiz through the system.
Okay.
Right. Next, Anas Muhammad Abbas Mahdi.
Yes, doctor.
Have you bought the book?
No, not yet.
Why?
I will buy it either today or tomorrow, inshallah.
Okay. It takes time, okay? When you buy, you cannot access it directly today. Maybe in between 2 or 3 working days.
Okay, no.
Please do it this week. Okay, next is Badrul Irfan.
Ada, madam.
Right. Bin Hilabi, just now I think you are in.
Yes.
Have you bought the books?
Today I will buy it.
Okay. Next. Xia Wan Yi.
Yes, madam.
Daniel sorry tak tahu sebut. Daniel, saya panggil Daniel je lah. Ada Daniel? Daniel. Tak masuk kelas. Tak habis yang raya lagi ke? Dia dah masuk kelas ke belum sebelum ni? Daniel Melchizedek, anak lelaki Raghunathan.
Pernah masuk madam.
Pernah masuk Okay. Hamizah Nabila. Okay. Loh Ying.
Ada, madam.
Okay. Mitran, anak lelaki Gopala Krishnan.
Ada madam.
Okay. Muhammad Aiman Syamil. Muhammad Alif Muhammad Husaini. Ada ke tak ada? Muhammad Alif? Muhammad Ali ada, okey. Siapa tak buka mic? Muhammad Hashir. Muhammad Hashir. Muhammad Hashir ada tadi?
Ada.
Sajalah nak suruh saya cari. Muhammad Ikwan. Muhammad Ikwan. Ikwan saya tak ada je ni. Dia dah pernah masuk kelas belum? Muhammad Ikwan bin Hazlizan. Kawan-kawan tolong respon Ustaz. Dia dah pernah masuk kelas ke belum? Sudah. MIA pula dah. Muhammad Ikwan Hazlizan. Muhammad Ikwan. Buku pun tak beli ni. Kawan siapa ni? Tolong saya. Takkan tak ada seorang berkenai. Muhammad Khairul Ziyad. Tadi ada dah kan? Muhammad
Ada.
Muhaimin. Muhammad Muhaimin.
Ada.
Okay. Muhammad Nur Alif.
Ada doktor ada.
Okay. Muhammad Syakir.
Ada.
Nick Muhammad Afiq Daniel. Macam ada tadi.
Ada madam, ada.
Okay. Nur Amira Farzana.
Yes, madam.
Nur Aina Nazihah.
Ada, madam.
Nur Ain Nukman. Macam ada tadi.
Ada.
Nurul Ain Nabila.
Ada, madam.
Obat Ashraf.
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Next is Osama Baket Abdallah Musa.
Yes, doctor.
You don't buy the book yet, right?
Yeah. Gonna buy it tomorrow, today, inshallah.
Okay. Next is Vice Navi.
Ada, madam.
Okay. Vini Eng Xiao Zuan.
Ada, madam.
Vid Yashiri.
Ada, madam.
Yuvanisan.
Ada madam.
Zafri Zuhairi.
Ada madam.
Ada tak nama yang saya tak panggil?
Madam, saya tadi line slow madam.
Oh, okay. Alright. Ada tak nama saya tak panggil? Sekali lagi Muhammad Ikhwan bin Hazlizan. MIA. Okay. Okay. So done for the attendance. Boleh kita proceed? Dah dapat jawapan? Step number 4. Saya terus kepada step number 4. What is the solution for example 2A? Hello. Untuk makluman korang, subtopik hari ni akan diuji dalam kuis minggu ke-5. Nampak jangan macam-macam A eksponen 2x plus B eksponen negatif 2x. Ada tak yang tak dapat?
Sama, madam.
Okay. Okay. For the step number 4, we have the A and B. Okay. Based on step number 5, it said that if you are given condition, means you need to find the value of constant A and B. So before we proceed, we need to analyse the condition. Okay, condition dia apa? Condition dia adalah, the first one is y0 equals to 5. It means x equals to 0, y equals to 5. Condition number 2, y prime 0 equals to 10. It means your x equals to 0 and y prime equals to 10. Okay, we need to substitute the x and y prime. Okay, however, in your solution, you only have y. So we just can consider x and y. Okay, tapi once you consider only first one condition, we cannot find two value of constant. One condition for one constant. So two condition for two constant. In this case, kita ada dua constant, so kita kena consider both condition. Okay, so you have y, x, and also you have x, but you don't have y prime. What you need to do is differentiate. Differentiate kan ni. So, y prime is differentiate a exponent 2x is 2a exponent 2x. Differentiate b exponent negative 2x is negative 2b exponent negative 2x. Okay, substitute condition 1 in dy and substitute condition 2 in dy prime. So, when you substitute, kita akan dapat 5 equals to a exponent 0 plus b exponent 0. Okay, gantikan 2 time with 0. Negative 2 time with 0. Dia akan jadi 0, 0. Or, it can be written as a plus b equals to 5. Okay, next, condition number 2, substitute y prime. So we have y prime is equals to 10, 2a exponent 0 minus 2b exponent 0. Again, 2 times with 0, negative 2 times with 0. So dapatlah 2a exponent 0, negative 2b exponent 0. Exponent 0 is equals to 1. So, simplify, we have 2a minus 2b equals to 10. From these two equations, you can find the value of a and b. Okay, saya nak ajar guna calculator. Right. Just now, you have used the panggil apa? function mode EQN. Okay, but for degree. Now, we want to have EQN but with unknown. Tadi tengok kan, tekan calculator, there are unknown. So, please choose 2 unknown. Okay, calculator MS, pilih unknown 2. Calculator ES tu, boleh pilih, saya rasa ada tulis 2 juga kot. Boleh tak siapa-siapa share dekat saya? Untuk calculator EX. So macam mana nak, how to find? Okay, from this equation 1 and 2, okay, you need to identify what this A1, B1, C1. Okay. Ni daripada sini ni, kita tukarkan ke bentuk matrix. Coefficient for A, 1. Coefficient for B, 1. Coefficient for C, 5. Yang ini, 2, negative 2, 10. 1 here represent A1. 1 here represent B1. 5 here represent C1. Ini pun sama. A2, B2, and this is your C2. Key in your calculator the value of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, and you will get the value A and B. Dapat tak value A and B? Ataupun X, Y?
X saya 5,
Okay, 5.
Y saya 0.
5, 0. So kalau sini 5, 2 kali 5, 10. Okay, betul patutnya. Yang lain dapat tak? Dapat tak? Walid, slide. Slide is in the Web of Science Engage. Ish. Ada yang tak dapat ke? Tak nak jawab tadi. So, once you have identified the value of A and B, you need to write down, okay, solution ni. Okay, this is the solution with the value A and B. So, kita gantikan Y equals to 5 exponent 2x plus 0 exponent negative 2x. 0 darab dengan exponent will be 0. So, we only have Y equals to exponent 2x. So, ini adalah the solution, final solution. Okay, boleh? Tak jawab ni.
Madam,
Ya.
boleh saya tengok boleh tak dekat step yang atas tu yang sebelum differentiate? Okay, untuk Sekejap saya lupa. Madam start differentiate kat mana tadi, madam?
Differentiate, consider ni solution.
Okay.
Okay, kita nak dapat y prime, so means kena differentiate satu, dua term ni.
Alright.
Okay, A constant. Exponent je boleh differentiate. So, differentiate exponent, dapat balik exponent. Tapi kuasa dia ada 2 x. So, 2 bawa depan. 2A, exponent 2x. Then, differentiate second term. B exponent negative 2x. B remain. Differentiate exponent, dapat balik exponent. Tapi exponent kuasa negative 2 letak depan.
Okay, baik. Thank you, madam.
Okay. Okay, proceed dengan example 2. Boleh bagi saya solution untuk step yang keempat? Hai. Senyap je.
Y equals to
Y equals to
dalam kurungan A plus BX tutup kurungan eksponen X.
exponent X. M dia dapat apa?
M dapat 1.
Okay, betul. So, samalah macam tadi. Condition dia ada Y prime. So, bila ada Y prime, kita kena differentiate. Okay, nak differentiate ni, kena guna product rule. Okay, ni complicated sikit. Okay, apply product rule. U equals to A plus BX. V equals to exponent X. U prime, differentiate A plus BX adalah B. V prime, differentiate exponent X adalah exponent X. So, you punya Y prime, U time with V prime, A plus BX exponent X plus V time with U prime. So, kita ada B exponent X. Okay, sekarang kita nak substitute condition. Condition Y01, Y prime 0, 4. So, condition yang pertama, 1 equals to A plus B times 0 exponent 0. Okay. Simplify dapat apa? Simplify akan dapat B times 0 akan jadi 0. So, A dalam bracket A saja. A darab dengan eksponen 0 maksudnya A darab 1. So, A equals to 1. Okay, condition number 2. Y prime gantikan dengan 4 and X equals to 0. So, we have 4 A plus B times 0 exponent 0 plus b exponent 0. So simplify. Yang ini term ini sama macam atas tadi. So a plus b times exponent 0, b times with 1. So a plus b equals to what? Equals to 4. Again, boleh guna calculator. 1, 0, 1 because we don't have b here. So it becomes 0. Then you have 1, 1, 4. Tekan calculator, akan dapat the value of a equals to 1 and b equals to 3. Okay, substitute balik in the solution. Then you will have y equals to 1 plus 3x exponent x. So this is the solution. Ada soalan tak?
فاهم دكتور.
Alright. You are getting more passive. It's either tired or sleepy. So tak apa. For example 2C ni, I just leave it to you. I give you the answer. Jawapan dia y equals to -2 cos x plus sin x. Okay, you may try later after class. So you have any question?
No doctor, thank you.
Alright. Anyone else? Any question? Tak ada Okay, since there are exercise, one ni ada banyak, there are many of exercise, you may try. And I'm going to deliver another exercise through the web assign. Nanti saya akan upload dalam group WhatsApp. When it's ready, then you may answer all the questions. Okay. Last remark. Quiz 1 next week will cover this subtopic. Subtopic ni. Okay. You need to answer and upload your solution. Boleh faham?
So doctor, which topic it will include?
This subtopic 2.2.
Just 2.2.
Yeah. 2.1,
Right.
2.2, both lah.
Okay, doctor.
Upload solution through the web assign Cengage. Since there is no question, so we end our class with tasbih, kifarah, and suratu al-as. Okay, thank you everyone. For those who have question, you may ask me after this class. Please wait. Assalamualaikum.